How to turn off the camera shutter sound on an Android phone. If you want to take photos without hearing the camera click sound, you can try these simple methods. First, open the camera app on your phone and tap on the three-line menu on the top. Tap the settings icon, usually located at the top or bottom corner of the screen. Now, look for an option called Shutter Sound or Capture Sound. If you find it, simply turn this option off. If you don't see this setting, don't worry. Some Android phones don't provide a direct option to disable the camera shutter sound. In that case, open your phone's quick settings panel and turn on silent mode or do not disturb before taking photos. You can also lower your system volume completely, as the camera shutter sound is often connected to the device's system sound settings. Keep in mind that in some regions, camera shutter sounds are required by law and cannot be disabled through settings. And that's it! These are the easiest ways to turn off the camera shutter sound on Android and customize your camera experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.